I'll be showing you step by step how you can disable right click on your Shopify storefront. This is going to make it so other people can't steal things from your site or inspect your store to learn more about it. If you're in something such as the dropshipping space where it's extremely competitive, this is going to be a great tool for you. So let's just dive right into it. The app we're going to be using is completely free and it's called RT. So it's going to allow you to disable right click on your store. So preventing cutting, copying, saving images, and viewing page sources. This app has great reviews at 4.9 stars with 125 star ratings, and it is completely free. I'll leave a link in the description for this app as well. But once you're there, you can follow along step by step. So let's go add the app first into our Shopify store. If you're comfortable with the permissions here, hit install app. And it's going to begin the installation sequence. So once the app loads, we'll just want to go to the center here under customize app. It is a free app, so you will see advertisements for other apps, but overall, there's not too many settings here. Really what we want to be doing is just enabling the app in the left here. So I'll click enable, and just like that, the changes are saved successfully. I'll hit next, and let's go make sure that the online store embed is enabled correctly. So I'll go to the Go to Online Store button, and this will open up the app embed section for my Shopify theme. So on the left, we can see it's now enabled. And what we want to do is go to the top right and click save to make sure everything is saved correctly. If we go back to the tab we were just on, we'll hit next again, and we'll open our store, and we can see that the click to right mouse button test functionality has worked. I'm just going to click got it. And if I go and try to right click here, you can see the content is protected alert showing up. So you can now no longer right click on your Shopify store. So overall, that's a very easy setup there. It's just a few clicks. If we go to the left-hand side, we can get some further customization on what we want to protect. We can see the images, text, keyboard shortcuts. We can see an alert message. You can disable print screen, and we can have a legal notice in the developer console. So if we show the console here, we can see the legal notice showing up. So if we just hit save as well, we can confirm everything. And just like that, we've disabled the right click on our Shopify store. Overall, this app was extremely easy to set up. Note, I don't have any affiliation with it, but it is a completely free one available on the Shopify App Store, which is a huge bonus. If you've generated any sales on your Shopify store, you know how hard it is to actually discover how profitable we are. That's where Profit Calc comes in. It's the one-click profit calculator available for your Shopify store. All you have to do is select the date range you're looking for to get real-time calculations and discover your true profitability. It's going to give you a variety of different detailed analytics and metrics so you can make smarter business decisions. It's going to sync seamlessly with all your different ad accounts from Facebook, Google, Bing, Snapchat, Pinterest, and TikTok. It's going to aggregate all your different expenses in an easy to understand dashboard, along with different analytic reports. You can find it in the Shopify App Store by searching Profit Calc and looking for this logo in the top left. There's also a link in the description below to access the app listing directly. From there, you can get a 15-day free trial to test drive everything for yourself, so make sure you check that out. So this is going to conclude this video on how to disable right click in your Shopify store. If you enjoyed the video, I would love it so much if you hit that like and subscribe button below, as that really helps the channel out. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in our next one.